Question 1. Which of the following could represent the graph of y equals negative x squared plus 1? So let's have a look at the options quickly. Option A, that's a straight line. This one is in the form y equals mx plus c. C is the y-intercept and m is the gradient. Okay. Look at part B. Okay, a graph that starts sort of from the left-hand side, very close to the x-axis, very low or very small value, rising up, going through 1 on the y-axis, and then rising at a very sharp rate. On the right-hand side there, this one is an exponential function. So this one's really of the form y equals a to the power of x, where a is in fact a number greater than 1. Okay, so this one's an exponential. Part C, okay, sort of a U shape, okay, that's a parabola. This one's concave down, so that means that there's a negative involved. Okay, this one is of the form y equals ax squared plus c. Now, the value of a here determines whether it's concave up or concave down. So in this case, okay, it's concave down, so it's actually going to be a negative number. Okay, so it's actually negative x squared plus c. C is the y-intercept, and we can see that the y-intercept here is 1. So it's y equals negative x squared plus 1. So it's option C. But let's have a look at option D, just for completeness. This one, a graph that sort of has two branches there, that sort of gets close to the y-axis, doesn't quite touch it, or gets close to the x-axis but doesn't quite touch it. So we call that asymptotic, or sort of approaching an asymptote. This one is a hyperbola, okay? And this one's of the form y equals k on x. Okay, so you might recall having seen these. So it's option C.